Notice: our courses are taught in English. If you want to see subtitles in other languages, first, we open the subtitles closed captions at the bottom right of the video. Then click Setting and select Subtitles (CC) and click Auto Translate. Now you can choose your preferred language from the list. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce the main easily damaged parts on the hashboard of Innosilicon T2. First, let's look at the ASIC chip, T1558. If it is damaged, the hash rate of this hashboard will decrease, or be 0 hash rate. The two chips are 1.8-volt LDO chips. When there is a problem with these two chips, their corresponding ASIC chips will not work properly. This is an inductor in the boost circuit. After it is damaged, the boost circuit will be abnormal. Next, let's look at the diode in the boost circuit. After it is damaged, the boost circuit will also be abnormal. Well, now the tweezers pointing at is the boost chip, MP3426DL. When the circuit doesn't generate a boost, it's largely because this chip is faulty. The last chip to be introduced today is the clock crystal. If it goes wrong, the hashboard will not generate the CLK signal. Today's video is over. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Bye.